Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable judges, respected teachers, and my dear students. Today I am going to recite the poem Night of the Scorpion, which was written by Nizam Ezekiel. He is an Indian English poet, and he is considered as the father of modern English poetry. So in this poem he lives at the superstition of the village, who do nothing to alleviate the pain of a mother beaten by the scorpion, and contrasts the village with his rational father, and he also highlights. So now the text. I remember the night my mother was stung by the scorpion. 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of rice. Parting with his poison, flashed a diabolic tile in the dark room. He risked the rain again. The peasants came like swarms of the flies and buzzed the name of God in 100 times to paralyze the evil one. With candles and with lanterns, throwing a giant scorpion shadows on the mud-baked walls. And they searched for him, but he was not found. They clicked their tongues and they said, with every moment that the scorpion made his poison moved in mother's blood. And my father, septic, rationalist, he trying every case and blessing, powder, mixture, herb and hybrid. He even powdered in little paraffin, opened a bitter and put to match to it. I watched the flame feeding on my mother. I watched the holy man performs his right to take the poison with an unconscious. After 20 hours, it lost its sting. And my mother only said, "Oh God, thank you. The scorpion picked on me and spared my children." Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
184 184